Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about how to enable DKIM in Plesk. So step number 1, go to websites and domains, then your domain, then mail tab, then mail settings. Select the use DKIM spam protection system to sign outgoing email messages. Checkbox and then click apply. If you use Plesk DNS server, you have enabled DKIM for the domain. Plesk adds the following two records to the DNS zone of the domain. Step number 3, click How to configure external DNS to open the hint and copy two DNS records you see there and add them to the DNS server. If you have domain aliases you use to send email, add the DKIM DNS records for them as well. Use the same records as for the main domain but with the domain alias name. That's it. Thanks for watching.